Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi guys, my name is Maria. Welcome to the Creativity Bucket List, where I try different types of art form for the first time. And what I'll be doing for today is to cut someone's hair for the first time. I'm not sure how my boyfriend agreed to this, but he did, so it's either gonna go great or it's gonna go really, really badly, and you'll see by the end what the outcome will be. I shouldn't be talking while doing this. Anyway, let's do it. So this is our victim slash customer. Okay, for safety. Oh, ganun ko magupit. Oh, ba't ang laki? Ah, kasi i-clip ko. Kilig mo kakakal. So, sir, ano pong gupit today? Ano pong gusto? Ano ba yan? Wala man lang engagement?
I-sprayan mo na!
Betadine sore throat spray. So, kasi ayaw magpa-shampoo, spray na lang. Okay, done. Okay. Kinakabahan ako. Okay.
Now, with the classic scissor cut, I'm still going to do a horseshoe section, just because I like to separate the top to the back and sides.
So, sabi kasi, hahanapin daw yung, ano tawag doon? Puyo? Pusod? Ano? Tawag dito?
Puyo.
Puyo.
Hindi mo alam? Paano ka magugupit?
Basta hanapin daw yung puyo. Sabi doon sa tutorial na pinanood ko twice. So, inihiwalay muna yung... Oh my god.
Scissor in, lift it up so you see the section, work it in the comb, pick your length you want to do, and cut.
So, ba siyang... Ano daw? Paano yun? Comb. Comb. Tapos you do this. Depende daw sa...
Ay, nako.
Wala pa nga! So, gusto mo na...
Yun nga, yan tagal eh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Tapos, gamitin mo daw siya na reference. Dito, di ba, halos, ano talaga to? Bawas na bawas.
It's not for me to say you love.
This will keep it nice and uniform all the way around. And we're cutting it to a length that you're not going to see scalp exposure to.
You want this done fast or done right, Char?
Just flush.
Ah! Ay, nako.
Okay ka lang?
Kami pawis ko. Alin?
So, working on the mini clippers now.
Nagaganyan ka.
Start to strengthen the hairline.
Oh, sige.
Again, we're not looking.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
very natural. No square lines, no nothing. Just blending it right down. I'm going to point cut into this. We're not looking for anything kind of too blunt or anything on this haircut. We want something very soft, very natural. So, right, I'm going to point cut into this. We're not looking for anything kind of too blunt or anything on this haircut. We want something very soft, very natural. I think soft is the key word really, is that we don't want anything to be too blocky, should we say. Following the guide.
Nasa likod siya kasi para pag kita yung...
Following the guide. And then I'm getting just before the crown and angling it straight up. Same thing again this side. Bring it up. Now the only thing that will over-directing is the fringe, naturally. I bring it straight up, as you see, which is this part here where it angles into the temple. We bring that straight. See, my fingers are staying nice and straight. I've got a guide there. I've got a guide here. This is like classic barbering 101. This is a staple. And that's a simple classic barbering haircut done.
It's not for me to say.
Okay naman.
Kunwari umiikot.
I'm sweating like crazy. It's done. I have hair over my body, my face, but I hope one liked it and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So see you next time.